proud about it, but it happens. I am an RA this summer, and I was interviewing, and he was telling me, he was like, yeah, like you have your own room, you have your own sweet bathroom, What he failed to tell me was, I'll be living in a college dorm, and like, not like an apartment that I lived in last year, like a dorm, like no kitchen, no nothing. So it's just a kitchen, like it's pretty chill. It's not that bad, guys. Honestly, it's not that bad. I'm actually pretty grateful, because I'm getting paid to be here, essentially, so. Yeah, but it's such a big space, and it's not the one of a program, but I still want to make it feel like it's my own. So we're gonna decorate it, we're gonna move in. I want to show you guys the process. Yeah, but first up, let's get a little tour of the room. I've been here for like 2 hours, no shade, guys. So I had to like take a shower and get dressed to like look presentable for you guys. And now I'm about to like strip down to like a tank top now because I have to get to work. Pretty much because I'm an RA, I get 2 of everything. So I have a bed, a desk, another desk, and a bed, and a chest, and another chest. So, and an ensuite bathroom. Like, which I'm like, this is new. Like, this is fancy for me. Like, I'm like, wow. Like, it's like literally everything in my room. And so, and obviously a microwave and a mini fridge because we don't have a kitchen. One thing I remember about my freshman dorm, which kind of made it feel like a home or just like a space that wasn't like someone else lived in here last year, was kind of rearranging the room a little bit, just like making the furniture just feel like just touch the furniture, you know what I'm saying? So I can like feel like I did something. So I think I want to put, I know I want to put these 2 beds together to make like a bigger bed. So yeah, let's do it. I think the room obviously feels very heavy on this side because like literally everything is on this side, but I'm thinking about putting like one of these taller things right next to the bed so I can like charge my stuff, and then putting my 2 desks like right here in the corner. I just had the best idea. What? I think instead of trying to like make it a big desk, I'll make it an L-shaped desk.
Oh, wait, wow.
I was like, wait.
Yes, wait.
I added one of the drawers, make the L part longer. I hate that, like, there's still so much space, and I can like frolic around my room, and I like use pretty much all the furniture except for like the 2 pieces. I'm getting my 10s for that. Guys, this is literally such a cute store. But everyone says this is where you need to go to get your stuff for college, so let's go ahead and see what it is. So we got lucky, guys, because Caleb used to work here, so he knows like where everything is really at, where the good finds are. Because I'm going for like a little rustic chic vibe. Like, we're just doing a little tour of the space, you know, seeing what they have. Wow, there's a big selection. I do like these. Like I said, we're going for something like natural, kind of rustic, deep autumn colors. I just really want to make sure that like it all kind of comes together. I'm glad I'm shopping in store because I feel like it's better to see like the colors all together, like, and like if they meld together. Okay, we're trying to find a lamp right now. This is cute. We just left. As you can see, the sun is like down more. I think that's the right way to put it. We have a lot of stuff, so I can't wait to show you guys when we get back to the room. So guys, we're back from shopping. I found some amazing things at the store. I want to show you guys before we start actually decorating the room and like transforming it and making it look really cutesy. So first we're gonna start off with bedding. I got a couple pillows, 2 or 3. I got this nice long pillow, just again, accent brown, love this. Oops. I got a green pillow to kind of go with it. And I'm still deciding on where I want to put this orange pillow. And to go with that orange, we have burnt orange comforter. I think it has a couple pillow covers on it too, so I think this is gonna be gorgina on the bed, especially with these cream color sheets, okay? And to go along with that, I got a gold side table. I'll do like some, you guys will see more of it here, but it's really nice. It has enough right here. I think this is really cute for like a candle maybe, or like even putting like a plant right here. Something can go on top. I don't know. I definitely think this gold though is really beautiful. I have this bamboo lamp, which I love. It's really tall. Like as you can see, it's kind of like meeting me eye height while I'm sitting down. Especially because I have a smart light bulb. So I'm gonna put my smart light bulb in it and I can add different colors to it, really change the vibe. And the star of the show, I have this cow print rug. I'm so excited to unbox this. Oh my God. Well, unwrap it or whatever. I think this is gonna be the biggest star of the entire room and really like make the room feel really cozy and warm. I think people underestimate the power of a rug. A rug can really help. A rug can not only make a room feel super elegant and upscale and like bougie, but also it adds so much more personality. Especially if you already like get a cow print rug, or maybe if you got like a solid color rug, or if you got a patterned rug, like it really adds a vibe to the room. So definitely get a rug, especially if you're in a college dorm, get a rug. I got an ottoman, or yeah, I think that's what this is called. I think this is ottoman. I got this mainly because one, as you can see, it's this burnt orange color, it goes with the feel and vibe of the room, but also, think about it, right? There's not a lot of seating areas in dorms, right? You maybe have like your desk chair, and you have your bed, and maybe the floor. And with the rug, you may not want everyone to like walk on the rug, right? You may like take the shoes off because you want to keep it clean, but where are they gonna sit? Especially if you go out that night, right? This is perfect because now your friends can sit down and they don't have to get their outside clothes in like your bed. It's also plus if you can have storage in it too, that's great. So first up, I'm gonna work on the bed because I think the bed is the focal point of a room, right? So like you wanna make sure the bed looks nice. So like I said, I got the burnt orange kind of vibe. I already have the sheets on there. I'm gonna put the little duvet covers on the pillows, or if that's what it's called, I don't really know. I'm just, you know, just trying to make my room look nice. So that's the plan. Cause I feel like I said, I feel like the bed is like wow, it's a room. Like once the bed looks nice, then everything else will kind of like fall into place. Color on the bed definitely adds a lot of color to the room already, which I really love. Perfect on the color options. Now the next biggest thing I want to tackle, or I'm just excited about it, honestly, guys. It is this rug. I am so excited to open this rug. Like, I've been dying to open this rug, and I'm like so excited to like put it on the ground, see how it feels and everything. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. I already know. Okay, let's just open it. Let's just open it. But like this is exactly the vibe I was going for. Hey guys, like look, like this just looks stunning. I'm in love with it. So I think it's time we handle the mess behind me. Some might call this a closet. I call it my pile of clothes that I haven't hung up since I've been here. But that's okay, you know, we're handling it now. I'm gonna hang up everything, and then I also have these storage units. I think put my energy drinks in one and then put like my bags and stuff in another. Just to make it look cute. Like this looks scary. Also might be hungry just because. And dare I say my room looks better now. Like having my clothes hung up, just kind of, I feel like it brightened up the room too. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. Well, here is the finished room, guys. I am so happy with the way it turned out. It literally is my dream. So obviously first up, like I said, the bed is the focal point of your room. So I have some colorful bed covers. I have this burnt orange color, like I said. I want to go for like a natural, rustic feel. And I have the browns, I have the orange, I have a couple pops of green in here every now and then, you know, some plants, that green pillow over there. Yes, I could have gone for the black, I could have gone for the white, I could have gone for like, you know, a very neutral neutral color, but deciding to do a very vivid color says a lot about your personality. And why would you not want your room to reflect your personality? Block it. And then also, on that note of just having nice things in your room, I have a plant. One, just to brighten it up, and then also I heard that having a plant in your room makes the oxygen in your room better. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm gonna say it is. And then I have it sitting on top of the gold side table that we got earlier. I think this is a beautiful way just to highlight the plant and give it some levels. A nice way to make a college dorm feel way more luxurious than what a college dorm actually is. I have a rule in my house, don't turn the big light on. Please don't turn the big light on, like you will have to go. So I have this lamp and it really brightens up the room. It makes it feel cozier and it makes it feel just a little bit more warm and intimate than just having the big light on. Because also, the big light is ugly. Like we just have to call it quits. I think we all can agree that big lights are ugly, so get you some lamps. So yeah, then I have my desk. I like to make sure that my desk is very inspiring because I sit for hours and hours studying and doing work. So I have a pillow just for back support. And I have some small decorations over here again to make the room feel fun. And then I have this wall art. I was gonna hang this on the wall, but then I decided I didn't want to get charged by the school because they love to come for the coins and they love to come for the pockets. Yeah, this is my room. I'm so happy to be staying in this room. Like being an RA is definitely gonna be an interesting experience. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to At Home for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on all my other social medias, which is here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, which is also linked in the description box below. And what are some college dorm room tips that you have that I think freshmen don't know about? Because I think I have a good bit, but obviously I don't know everything. I don't have my degree yet. Some of y'all do have y'all degrees, so if y'all could let me know what we should be doing in our dorms to make it feel more cozy, warm, and at home, I would love that. And stay tuned for more college vlogs because I have so much more coming out of the woodworks. I'm so excited. Like literally junior year is gonna be up on 10, guys. And that's it. Bye, homies.